So let me still show you what my stubbornness has cost me. You know, the former video I posted, people were saying that puncture the fence so that they will flood will drain away. But I want to show you something. Now, you guys, please, I need your advice here. So this is the place I showed you. Area. Follow me, come close. They follow me now, no, they fear me. So this place was covered with flood that day. If you can remember the video, this video now. So everywhere, you see the level, the flood, the level. You reach this level. You understand? They pass self. So the problem is, show them this building. If I decide to puncture here, we are going outside. I will show you everything. If I decide to puncture here, this is someone's building. So this is this side. Show them this side now. This side is my pig farm. You understand? So this is main road. Come, follow me fast. So this is the main road. I have to even cover here so that there will be no water from outside to come inside the farm. I have to raise this place up. You understand? Because I don't want water from outside to come in here. So the problem here is that this place I am standing is higher. This is the main road. This place is higher than my farm. So if I decide to puncture the hole as you guys advised me, so I'm inviting more flood to enter the farmland. So let me show them around. Because I know there are some people that can come up with good idea on what to do. If they fear me, they've come close now. So this place now is higher than this farmland. You understand? This place is higher than this farmland. And this place, that day, I should have recorded this. That day, this place was filled with water. So if I puncture the hole, that means I am letting in more water from here to enter the farmland. The farmland is almost, this place now is almost 2 blocks higher than my farmland. And this place is also experiencing that flooding. So you see that puncturing the fence will not work, because I saw so many people that they felt so much concern about me. But so many people, they say, oh God, puncture, you know, get sense, puncture. I say, you can come now, follow me. You can advise somebody without even making it to sound like an insult. You understand? So this is someone's house. Now, the second option is, some people say that I should buy pumping machine to pump the water out. Danju Mama, I ask you now, do you think it can work?
It can work.
So where am I going to pump the water to? All these places, they are higher than the farmland, and they are also experiencing flood. You can see this place now. The flood they reach here, and this place is higher than my farmland with two blocks like this, 1, 2. So where I go pump the water? Go.
Water cannot move.
So that's
you now invite another water inside the farm.
So that's the problem. So if there is any other suggestion you guys can give me, you give me. But above all, my pepper, they are doing well.